Alright, hello YouTube, it's Old Verto. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Polkadex mainnet on your phone, meaning you can stake, nominate, or do whatever on the Polkadex mainnet. So first you want to download the Kiwi browser. When you download the Kiwi browser, go ahead and open it. Then you want to search for the Polkadot.js because this browser allows us to download extensions. So you can download the Polkadot.js extension on here, and we'll be able to use the Polkadex mainnet as well as any other Polkadot.js projects. Basically, any project that uses Polkadot.js, you can use that project right on your phone. But in this video, we're going to do Polkadex. So since I already installed it, I don't have to anymore. When that's done, click on the three dots on the top right corner. You'll see it near the bottom, Polkadot.js. Click on it. Now for you, you'll have to generate your account. So when you generate your account, it will generate a passphrase. You save it, put it in a safe place, and then it should look like this. Then once this is done, you want to go to the Polkadex.trade website. Then you're going to click on Mainnet Explorer and go to accounts and click on accounts. Now for you probably won't see anything here, so you might have to click on the add account button. When you click add account, again it will generate you a passphrase that you will have to save or put in a safe place, and then your accounts should look like this down here. Then once your account is created, you want to add your Polkadex. Basically send your Polkadex to your account from another exchange like Gate.io, KuCoin. So click on your name, and then you'll see your address. You click on copy, and you will just go to the other exchange, paste it, and send your PDEX from that exchange to this exchange. Once that's done, your PDEX will be here pretty quick. And once it's here, you just want to click on network, click on staking, and then go to accounts. When you go to accounts, it will look like this, but you'll probably have nothing here. So again, you'll have to click on nominate and basically put in the amount of Polkadex that you want to stake, and payment destination, increase the amount at stake, or you can just have it your interest payments sent to a separate account. So then you're going to click on the next button. When you click on the next button, this should be where you choose your validators. So you would choose me. My validator would be BlockyLabs. You can choose multiple validators, but if you can, also try to include BlockyLabs, which is my validator node. So right here you can see I have two accounts. This other account is basically a nominator, and it's nominating all of these validators, including me. You see right up here, BlockyLabs. Now what it looks like when you're adding your nominators, when you go to the next screen, it will look like this, and you'll see a list of all these validators that you can nominate. So you can choose up to 16, and if for me to nominate me, you just want to search BlockyLabs. Here we go, BlockyLabs. When you search BlockyLabs, it will appear. Since on this account I have already nominated, it won't show here, but for you it will. You will click it, and then it will go to the right side. Then you'll click the nominate button right there on the bottom right corner, and you should go on. You'll be able to nominate me. It will show everything right here, and you'll see that you'll have waiting nominations. So they'll probably take about a day or so until you get at least one active nomination, and then that's when you'll begin to start earning interest. So once that's done, you can go back to accounts, and you see where it says total transferable. When this amount increases, this is how you can know how much you're getting paid in interest. So when this amount increases, that's how much you're getting as a reward, basically. So this is about it in this video. Please subscribe and leave a like, and don't forget that BlockyLabs, you can join my nod when you start nominating to earn interest. So yes, and that's it for today.